Now, starting with number 2, we are going to look at the main idea, and we'll look at which sentence best tells the main idea of this text. Now, when we're looking for the main idea of a text, we can look at the heading, the topic sentences, and the conclusion, because those introduce and wrap up what we read about. Now, the heading in our conclusion is actually what tells us the most about the story, what the main idea is. Now, it says, we still have a lot to learn about Mercury. So this whole story is talking about what we learned or know about Mercury and what we still are going to learn. So our answer will be C.